All right, this is the angled leg press. So you're going to start by adjusting the seat so that your hips and lower back can stay flat against the back pad. We don't want any rounding or lifting off. So you want your knees to be able to travel over your toes at the bottom of the movement without your heels coming off the pad. If you do find your heels coming off the pad, slide your feet slightly further up on the slide. Make sure your knees are tracking in line with your toes at all times. Also make sure that your knees aren't locking out in this straight position. We want to have our knees soft at all times. All right, so the safety is held with the yellow levers. So you can see here, I'm going to put my hands on the yellow levers and then pull them up, which is going to release the safety. So now the machine is free, and you're going to do the opposite to put the safety back on. So you're just going to push the feet up and then push the handles down towards the ground. You want to make sure that you're lowering the weight slowly by bending your knees. Make sure you drive the weight back up by pushing evenly through your whole foot, especially through your midfoot and your heel. And as I said, you don't want to be locking the knees out at the top. All right, so make sure you have full foot pressure through every rep. For quads to be biased, we want to have our feet a little bit lower on the platform, and to target more glutes, we are going to have our feet a little bit higher up and closer together. Make sure you stay controlled and you're moving with purpose. You're not just dropping the weight at the bottom.